Now our experiment next is salt analysis. So question is asked, what is a salt? So generally salt oil कौन बुझा है? Okay. So salt generally I am writing that is a normal salt. One is normal salt or single salt हम बोल सकते हैं. It is a normal salt. Another one is double salt. Double salt. Very simple example. I am giving a salt NaCl. So NaCl filled, you are dissolving in water. You are putting in water in aqueous solution. This is dissociated into Na plus and Cl minus. The simple salt, normal salt, is dissociated into its constituent ions in aqueous solution. Normal idea. And double salt means it is comprised of again two salts like more salt. More salt. That is example is FeSO4. This is the formula of that. Ammonium sulfate dot 6H2. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या होता है? When you put in water in aqueous solution, this is completely dissociated into its constituent ions. माने ये भी पूरा completely भागेगा वो. तो भागेगा ions कौन आसको? This is you are getting Fe plus 2. What is this? SO4 2 minus. And this is also, it is providing which ion? Ammonium ion. And which one is here negative again? SO4 2 minus. That means it is comprised of two salt, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate. So two salt, but when dissociated, it will give its constituent ions Fe plus 2, SO4 2 minus, ammonium ion. In single salt also, it is dissociated into its constituent ions Na plus Cl minus. That's simple माने कौन? Simple मतलब ये होता है normal salt, double salt when you put in water, that is completely dissociated into its constituent ions. Okay. Then we will go for complex salt. One is very simple concept is complex salt. Complex salt, when you put in water, that is not completely dissociated into its ions. That means whenever you will dissociate this, let's assume अभी तो एक और simple salt लिखना होता है. ताले के ions कौन आस्ता है? What is the ions? K plus. What is another ion? Fe plus 2. What is another ion? Cl minus. अगर ये simple salt होता, ये अगर simple salt लिखना होता, ताले A plus Fe plus 2 Cl minus आस्ता. But as this is, but ये dissociation होने के बाद क्या देगा? It will only give K plus, but this ये जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो लिखा होता है और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भीतर जो लिखा है जी सेटा भांगिबो नहीं, that will remain as it is. अगर कोई सिंपल सॉल्ट लिखा था भांगी लिखा था, बट एटा जे है कॉम्प्लेक्स सॉल्ट ये भांगिबो नहीं, ये कंप्लीट आयन के साथ रहेगा. तो ये कंप्लीटली ब्रेक हुए नहीं, that is called your complex salt. Okay. Then any salt I am breaking, just NaCl. Any salt I am breaking, it is giving what? Na plus Cl minus. That means one positive ion radical, another one is negative ion or radical. And positive ion is called, normally we are calling this basic radical. Negative ion is called which radical? Acid radical. तो देखो से सॉल्ट को ब्रेक करले गोटे कोन आसीबो पॉजिटिव आयन आसीबो आ गोटे कोन आसीबो नेगेटिव आयन्स आसीबो. तो पॉजिटिव आयन का हम कहू छु बेसिक रेडिकल and negative ion is known as acid radical. So question अभी ये है, how can you find which ion is available in this? तो हमें कोन करबा तार किछि एक्सपेरिमेंट करबा. By doing that experiment हमको फाइंड करबार अछि कौन ions present है, which is basic radical present, which acid radical present. So सिर्फ हम टेस्ट करें अपन, टेस्ट for acid radical, test for basic radical. Okay, acid radical जब टेस्ट करेंगे that we have following two tests, dry test, wet test. And dry test is partitioned into two parts. Dry test दो जनों को मैं applicable, would acidic और होची basic. One by one we will do acidic dry test tube heating through रे हमें करी परिवार. Basic रे dry test tube heating also applicable for basic. Flame test, charcoal cavity test, cobalt nitrate test. ये चारिटा टेस्ट करके हम जान पाएगा बेसिक रेडिकल कौन होची. ओके. वेट टेस्ट फॉर एसिड रेडिकल है आपका चिंता अच्छी डायल्यूट H2SO4. डायल्यूट H2SO4 टेस्ट करले हम पाखरे कार्बोनेट जदी देखैबो. दिस इज कार्बोनेट नॉले सल्फाइड नाइट्रेट आयन प्रेजेंट. लेट हम टेस्ट करले सेटा देखैला नाही तो हमरो नेक्स्ट टेस्ट होची कंसंट्रेट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड टेस्ट. एटा जदी टेस्ट देखैला कि कोन प्रेजेंट अछि क्लोराइड, ब्रोमाइड, आयोडाइड, नाइट्रेट आयन. तो ये दो जन जाको न देखैले we will go for the individual test. The individual test रे कोन रहबो सल्फेट एंड फॉस्फेट. We have to do that one by one. Clear? So dry test tube heating, first acidic both basic point. Second acidic रे dry test tube heating हम कंफर्म करबा प्रैक्टिकल करी देखैबी. बेसिक रे ड्राई टेस्ट ट्यूब हीटिंग, फ्लेम टेस्ट, चार्कोल कैविटी टेस्ट. ये होती ड्राई टेस्ट ट्यूब है सर. ड्राई टेस्ट, फ्लेम टेस्ट, चार्कोल कैविटी टेस्ट, कोबाल्ट नाइट्रेट टेस्ट. ये चारटा टेस्ट हम देखेंगे. वेट टेस्ट रे कोन हो डायोड. वेट टेस्ट फॉर एसिड रेडिकल माने नेगेटिव आयन पाई. डायोड H2SO4, कंसंट्रेट H2SO4, इंडिविजुअल टेस्ट याकू भी हम करी देखे देबे. एंड फाइनली बेसिक रेडिकल केवल ड्राई टेस्ट ट्यूब अछि. Dry test, so this is actually already quasi it हम show करिवा. So we have to see one by one. We have to see one by one. I have to show you, students. So we will do now the dry test. So dry test time first हमें before going to dry test, going for dry test, हमको देखियो अछि physical examination of the salt. तो किछि salt है हम ताको जानि परिबा कोनटी कलर देखि जानि परिबा. किछि सॉल्ट हमें स्मेल करके जानि परिबा. जस्ट लाइक गोटे एग्जांपल दोची एमोनियम. एमोनियम सॉल्ट रे कोन होबो ताको हमें जस्ट यू टेक ए पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट एमती फिंगर रे लियो ताको जस्ट put a drop of water, just a drop of water. Rub this like this, and you can smell. So you can feel it smells like ammonia. Clear? This ammonia का smell. अब किसी salt रा कौन तो जनरली color थी वो, तो color देखिए जाने परियो. So next is dry test tube heating. So dry test tube heating, this is dry test tube heating, that is we will take a test tube like this. If any water is there, just because that is test tube, this is your test tube holder, and अगर इसमें कुछ water होगा तो इसको पहले dry करोगे. तो you have to do like this. This is drying of the test tube. Then you have to take a pinch of salt. I don't know this is which salt. We have to see this is which salt. So I am taking a pinch of salt here, and I am just hitting this. तो यहाँ पर हिटिंग करते वक्त में ऑब्जर्व करना है क्या हो रहा है. साउंड आ रहा है, कुछ ये जो सॉल्ट लिया गया ये सोलेन हो रहा है, या डेक्रिपिटेट्स मतलब चरचर साउंड होगा. अदरवाइज सब्लिमेट होगा. मैं देखो I'm just hit कर लो. I'm just hitting this. see carefully. So whenever I heated this, you are getting a white sublimate here. The test tube charipatre white layer asila. So this is called white sublimate. And the white sublimate asila, that means it is the presence of ammonium ion. Ammonium ion may be present. Got it? So एडा हला ammonium रो the stool test. तो सेमती हीट करके हम जानी परिबा कोन अछि आदरे. Next I am heating. So next we will slightly go for leaded. Okay, again another test you take. The slightly को dry कर दियो. Make it dry. Okay, so we will take some amount of lead. Okay, I am not telling you the salt, just I am taking, then you can know what is this. Okay. So this, I am just hitting this. So see, every sound aschi. This sound is called decrepitation. Means such sound aschi. That means this is decrepitates. Or decrepitates hela mane kono? Yar mane hochi. This salt contain water of crystallization. And see, you can see that brown fumes are just evolving out of the test tube. So brown fumes baharla mane taku ame koiba nitrate or nitrite ion. Got it? तामने याद nitrate or nitrite ion अच्छी, जोना देखो nitrite or nitrate ion, and decrepitated सेला माने देखो ना salt having the water of crystallization. Got it? So this is your experiment related to your dry test tube fitting. Clear, all of you? So dear students, next after completion of this dry test tube fitting, we are going to do charcoal cavity test and cobalt nitrate test. And charcoal cavity test, why we are doing? The charcoal cavity test we are doing to convert the whatever the salt into its oxide form. So what we are doing? This is charcoal block. So we are taking a charcoal block, and this is, we will take the charcoal block like this. In this you have to take a pinch of salt in this charcoal block. So sometimes salts are dry, so ये कौन हुए पड़ी जाए. तो for that reason just wet your finger and put on that, and we have to do this experiment now. Okay, listen. So this is your charcoal block. It would have hole achieved. For that, in that hole, I am taking the salt. You have to pick like this. Then you have to. This is your blowpipe. You have to blow. The flame to this salt. You can see that salt becoming glows, means it becoming white, dark white. You can see the color, it becoming dark white color. And when in this charcoal block some residue left, which is the residue, we will go for its cobalt nitrate test. Cobalt nitrate test. So we will go for cobalt nitrate test if any residue left. Okay. So I will show that cobalt nitrate test again. And this is, I am taking another salt. We have to see what is happening here. So we are continuing with that. Again I am telling you this, I am taking some salt here. I am just doing the charcoal cavity test, and after charcoal cavity test, if anything remain in this charcoal cavity or in this block, that means you have to perform your cobalt nitrate test. Again I am showing that. You can see this is glowing now. Now I am just putting some 1-2 drops of cobalt nitrate. So this is your cobalt nitrate. I am putting some cobalt nitrate here. Again I have to blow this. So if I will blow this, then what happens? I have to see. You can see a blue mass here. You can see pink mass here. You can observe this color, pink color. This is a pink color observed here. That means it is the presence of magnesium. Got it? Again I am telling you, charcoal cavity test. If anything left here, you have to go for your cobalt nitrate test. 2 drops of cobalt nitrate solution. Then again blow this. After that, what is the color you are observing? Please find out. If it is coming pink color, that is magnesium. This is green color, this is zinc, and this is blue color, this is aluminium. So I am going for another one. So I am again doing this. See carefully. So when I have done this, so generally again residue left, I have to put 1-2 drops of cobalt nitrate. Then I have to again blow this. So if you are getting blue color, so you will light blue color is coming, but not proper blue. This light blue color is coming. So whenever you are getting blue color, that means aluminium is present. Got it, all of you? So this is your charcoal cavity and cobalt nitrate test. Okay, your students listen. So next we will start. With your flame test. Okay. So question: flame test. For whom it is applicable, and why we are doing flame test? So generally, flame test is generally applicable for generally group 1 cations easily. And in this flame test, because group 1 क्या होता है, that is ionization enthalpy is less, because group 1 means lead sodium 281. That means one electron in its outermost shell, so it is very easy to remove that one electron. So that's why you need less amount of energy to excite that. एंड फ्लेम कलर का जो केमिस्ट्री क्या है, whenever you are showing this what is platinum wire to the by taking the salt to the flame को जितना में देखो कौन हो गया, that gets energy and this outer electron of the salt get excited to a higher level. After reaching at excited state it become unstable, so it will come back to a stable state and fall back in visible region to give the color. So that is a fundamental of your flame test. So flame test, so first you will take a platinum wire, you have to just dip in concentrated HCl so that if anything present there, anything salt previously present, that is converted into chloride. कोई भी salt अगर इसमें होगा, इसको अगर हम HCl में dip कर देंगे, that salt converted into chloride, जिसको हम अगर flame में दिखाएंगे, ये क्लोराइड क्या होता है, इजीली वेपराइज हो जाता है, मतलब वोलाटाइल है, इसीलिए क्या है, कोई भी सॉल्ट है अगर डिप कर देंगे ये बन जाएगा क्लोराइड, एंड इसको अगर हम हीट करते हैं दैट गेट कन्वर्टेड और इजीली वोलाटाइल, ये इजीली वोलाटाइल हो जाता है. तो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू टेक द सॉल्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग a pinch of salt like this and see which color it is showing. So it is showing you, this is the color you are observing and this color is crimson red color. अगर ऐसे कलर आता है, you are getting a crimson red color, that means your strontium is present, strontium may be present. Got it? Crimson red, persistence मतलब continuously दिखाई देगा. और continuous देखा जाए तो crimson red का, that is called your, what is this? Strontium may be present. Got it? Understood clearly all of you? Okay, next. If I am taking another one, again take it for the show to the flame. Again I am taking the next one. And I am showing to the flame. See, यहाँ कुछ कलर दिखाई देता है, कुछ कलर yes, light pink आ रहा है. One minute, another one I am doing. So see this one, which color? It is coming green color, slightly green color it is coming. In between that you can see green color. So ये जो green color आ रहा है, that means this is barium. What is this? Barium, green color. If you are observing green color, that is barium. See, I am showing again. You can see the green color. Flame में green color आ रहा है, that is barium. Okay. So next, if I am showing this, ये देखो, this is green color, completely green color, bright bluish green, blue and green का mixture है ये देखो, you can see blue and green का mixture है, so that is the presence of copper ion. So this is our flame test. And ये flame test हम किसके लिए करते हैं? Again I am telling you, flame test we are doing for generally sodium, potassium, just like zinc, जिसका ionization enthalpy कम है, so that it can be easily excited by this flame. Sometimes we are taking another salt, but we are doing the flame test, but it is not showing any test. That means what? वो जो salt है उसका ionization enthalpy बहुत ज़्यादा है, उसको excite करने के लिए हमें ज़्यादा energy चाहिए, and that energy cannot be provided by this flame. ये flame से जितना temperature हमें मिलता है, that is not sufficient to excite that atom to a excited state. That's why that is not showing. Clear?